A very good afternoon to all of you friends. A very good afternoon to each and every one of you who are watching me live at Gradeup. A very good afternoon to all of you friends. On behalf of Gradeup, I welcome each and every one of you to this important session that we are going to conduct now. A very good afternoon to all of you. So before we start with the session, there are certain important things that I should mention. First and foremost, today we are going to solve some very important question for CLAT entrance examination for 2020. Okay, so for CLAT 2020, those of you who are interested, I am sure that most of you who are interested in CLAT 2020 have already joined me. I am waiting for others to join me as soon as possible. Okay, I am waiting for others to join me as soon as possible. A very good afternoon to all of you friends. So since CLAT is not very far and tomorrow you have another very important entrance examination in LAT. So in view of that, I'm sure that you guys are in the best position now insofar as your preparation is concerned. Your preparation is on the full swing. That is what I believe. So let us begin with today's class. Today we are going to solve some important passage based questions for CLAT 2020. But before that, as you are aware that tomorrow there is another very important examination, inlet examination. Okay, this is an examination that is going to be conducted by National Law School of India, University, Bangalore. So NLSIU Bangalore is going to conduct its own separate examination tomorrow. And these examination will be held in 3 shifts. Tomorrow the examination will be held in 3 shifts. And henceforth, a very important thing for all of you. Tomorrow, after the shifts are over, we will have analysis of these questions. We will have analysis of these questions. You have shift 1 analysis at 1:20. You have shift 2 analysis at 3:05 p.m. and shift 3 analysis at 4:55 p.m. So you have 3 shifts of this entrance examination, and these shifts, after the shifts are over, after the exam is over, we will have analysis at Gradeup's YouTube channel. Okay, we will have the analysis of all these questions. Okay, so let us begin with today's class. So do not miss on NLAT analysis tomorrow at 1:20 p.m., 3:05 p.m. and 4:55 p.m. Very important thing. Okay, so friends, let us begin with today's class. Let us begin with today's class. The first passage is up on your screen. You have to read the passage very carefully and then give me the answers to the question that will follow. So I'm sure that you guys are done reading with this slide. I'm sure that you guys are done reading with this slide. For those who are still reading, the last 5 seconds is for you. The last 5 seconds is for you. Moving on to the next slide. Richa, I'm going to talk to you. I'm going to answer your question after we are done with the class, okay? To all your queries regarding NLAT and CLAT examination, I'm going to answer to all your queries, but after the class. Okay? Moving on to the next slide. Moving on to the next slide. Going to the next slide, friends. The last 5 seconds for you. The first question is up on your screen. The first question is up on your screen. Read the question carefully and give me the correct answer. Read the question carefully and give me the correct answer to this question. Please tell me what is the correct answer to question number 1. Now, see, the fact categorically states that here is a doctor. He earns approximately rupees 60 lakhs per annum from his practice. His income is 60 lakh per annum. 60 lakh. What does the passage say? Any person whose income is less than 50 lakhs. Is Dr. Parvez's income more than 50 lakh? Yes. So the correct answer is absolutely option D. Option D. No, since his annual income is more than 50 lakhs. Very, very good. All of you have given me the right answer. Very good. All of you have given me the right answer. Very good. Moving on to the next question. Okay, I've started getting answers. A lot of people are saying C. Okay, 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 okay. Now, here is a person. Now, please try to understand this. This is very, very important, and I want all of you to answer question number 2. Very, very important. Okay. Now, since his income is below the prescribed limit, he does not own multiple house property. His income is less than 50 lakhs. He does not own multiple house property. Since the second property that Parvez bought is not a house property, it is a commercial property. Understand this. The second property which the doctor bought is not a house property. It is for commercial purpose. So it cannot be said that he owns multiple house property. Am I clear? So the correct answer is option C. Am I clear? Have I made myself clear? There is a difference between residential property and commercial property. Am I clear? He also buys a chamber where he is going to conduct his practice. Now, this is a commercial property. This is a commercial property, not a household property. So, the correct answer is option C. Am I clear? Did you understand? Okay, if you have liked, then do press the like button in the YouTube channel. Okay, just click on the like button. Question number 3. This is a very, very easy question. You should not take more than 2 seconds to answer this question. You should not take more than 2 seconds to answer this question. The first line itself says that here is a person, Seema, who runs a large software business and earns about rupees 35 lakhs. 35. What is the prescribed limit? 50 lakhs. Less than 50 lakhs. The correct answer is option A. You do not have just 1 second. You should not have taken more than 10 seconds to answer this question. Did you understand? So keep your eyes and your mind open. Just look at the question, read the question, and you should have a proper mind to answer. Okay. Question number 3. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 4. Okay. Very good, very good. I'm getting good answers. Now, here are your parents who sends him about 5,000 per month for his expense. Is it his income? Is it his income from salary, business or profession? No. He sold a flat for rupees 2 crore. Is it his income from salary, business or profession? No. Is it salary, business or profession? Are these income from salaries, business and profession? No. No. So the correct answer to this question is very good. Option B. Since the money deposited in his account is not income from salary, business and profession. Very, very good. Most of you have given me the right answer. See, you have to understand the question and then solve it. It's not that difficult. It's not that very easy also. So you should keep in your mind what to do and what not to do. Okay? Keep that in your mind. Moving ahead to the question. Question number 5. Question number 5. Okay, question number 5. Give me your answers. Give me your answers. Question number 5. Okay. So what does the fact says? Okay. So people say A, somebody's saying C, somebody's saying D. Okay. So Safina owns a house in the outskirts of the city. Okay. So he has one house in the outskirt of the city. Very good. After his son's wedding, Safina buys a flat in the middle of the city. Second house. Multiple house property. Multiple house property. Multiple house property. Did you understand? What is your answer? What is your answer? The correct answer is option C. There is multiple house property, more than one. More than one house property. You should not be thinking so much. The passage says if your income is above 50 lakhs or if you have multiple house property. If you have multiple house property. Did you understand? Did you all understand? Okay. Okay. Fantastic. So do like the session and share this session with your friends who are all preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination. Moving on to the next passage. Nidhi Kamath says, sir, there his son lives, but who owns it? Who stays is not the question, but who owns the land is the question. Okay. Nidhi. I understand in one of the houses his son stays, her son stays, but who owns the property? The mother. Okay. Okay. Are you guys done reading with this particular slide? I'll give you 10 more seconds to complete reading the slide. Read the slide once again. Read the slide once again. Read it once again. Okay, moving on to the question. Question number 6 is in front of you. Question number 6 is in front of you. Okay, very good, very good. A for Alpha. Okay, Ashish Rana says, okay, very good. All of you have given me the right answer since his action did not pose any threat to public safety. Now, here is a person who was arrested. He was arrested a couple of times in the past for petty offenses like pickpocketing. Now, does it mean he is a threat to public safety? Of course not. He is not a threat to public safety. Now, a person, suppose, has been arrested for carrying some bombs or illegal guns, ammunitions, and all these kind of things, is someone who is linked with terrorism. That man can be a threat to public safety. But a person who has been arrested a couple of times because of pickpocketing is not a concern of public safety. Am I clear? So the correct answer is option E. Very good, very good. Question number 7. Question number 7. Friends, do those of you who are watching me live, I would request all of you to download the Gradeup app from the App Store so that you can visit or take part in many free classes that we are conducting. Okay. Okay. A lot of you have started giving me the right answer. Very good. Okay, 90% of the class or else 100% of the class have given me the right answer. It is option C. Since her statement showed there was a possibility of a threat to public safety and security, I will burn the city to the ground. I will burn the city to the ground. What is this? If a person says a day before the Supreme Court was to pronounce his judgment on a very important case on a religious matter, Rita made a public statement to the effect that she and her organization would burn the city to the ground if the decision was not rendered in favor of the parties from their religion. This is a matter of concerning public safety. Am I clear? Did you understand? Did all of you understand? If someone is threatening that he is going to burn the city to the ground, what is it? Is it nothing or is it a safe public safety question mark? Yes, it is. Okay, very good. The correct answer is option C. Option C is the correct answer. Very good. Moving on to the next question. Question number 8. Okay, please guys concentrate. Do not chat amongst yourself. Concentrate and give me the correct answer. Good. Good, good, good. Very good. Insofar as question number 8 is concerned, most of you have given me the right answer. Around 90% of the class have given me the right answer. Conducting surveillance on a person ensures that they would not commit an offence against public safety. This is, if true, would be a strong argument opposing the decision of Govind's case. Now, Govind's case dealt with freedom of your movement, your freedoms under fundamental rights. Now, an argument opposing the decision of Govind's case would be that if you have surveillance, then a person will not have public safety concerns or not commit offenses that are against public safety. Okay, am I clear? Okay, very good. The correct answer is option C. Read the question very carefully. Which of the following, if true, would be a strong argument against the decision of Govind's case? Against the decision of Govind's case. Very good. Moving on to question number 9. Okay. So yes, tell me what is the correct answer. Okay, okay. Question number 9. You have started answering me. Some people are saying B. One or two have said D. But 95% of the class have given me the answer B. Okay. What is the correct answer? Whether phone tapping constitutes surveillance. Now, Munir discovers that the police have been tapping his phone and listening to all his conversation for the last 1 year. He challenges the police's action and claims that they have violated his fundamental right. The police claims that Munir is a known criminal and that the Govind's case did not cover phone tapping, but only picketing and domiciliary visit. Will the police succeed? The correct answer is no. Phone tapping would constitute surveillance also. Phone tapping also comes under the meaning of surveillance. Phone tapping also comes under the meaning of surveillance. Option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Okay. Option B is the right answer because phone tapping includes or constitutes surveillance. Moving on to the next question, question number 10. Okay, okay, okay. Now, the fact is that in this present case, Pallavi is arrested on the suspicion of causing grievous bodily harm to her husband. Later on, she was arrested. Her lawyer pleaded for her to be released on bail, awaiting the trial. The judge grants him bail with a condition to impose condition of bail. And what is this condition? Pallavi, very, very important and very, very crucial for all of you. Pallavi must report to the police station nearest to her house every week. Now, does this condition to report every week can be constituted as a surveillance? Can it be called a surveillance under the Govind judgment? The answer is no, it cannot be. Reporting every week to the police station does not amount to surveillance. Does not amount to surveillance. So the correct answer is option B. Option B is the right answer. Am I clear? Have I made myself clear? So do like the session, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon, friends. Do press the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, those who haven't till now, because we continuously have free live classes for CLAT and other law entrance examination. Okay? Okay, fantastic. So tomorrow, friends, a small kind reminder to all of you. Tomorrow we are going to have an exam analysis of NLET 2020. There are 3 shifts, shift 1, shift 2 and shift 3. The timings are given, so please take a note of it, that we will have the analysis of shift 1 at 1:20, we'll have the analysis of shift 2 at 3:05 and the analysis of shift 3 at 4:55. Okay. Friends, once you download the Gradeup app and subscribe to Gradeup Super, you get a lot of courses. You don't have to buy every course. You just have to subscribe to Gradeup Super, wherein you will get access to all courses. Some of the ongoing courses are up on your screen. Some upcoming courses are there down below. So do subscribe to Gradeup Super. Just what you need to do, you need to subscribe to Gradeup Super for unlimited access to all structured live courses and mock tests. Structured live courses, full coverage with good faculties and complete doubt resolution along with report card. You have an option of subscribing to Gradeup Super for 1 month, 12 months or 24 months. Very, very important. Okay. And the faculties who are going to be teaching in this course are Pranav Pant, Ankit Sharma, Naveen Iyer, Savitri Krishnamurthy, Shantanu Jha and myself, Surajit Bhaduri. So these are the faculties, and I'm sure that you must have met all these faculties well in advance and you have interacted with them. So all I would request you is download the Gradeup app, and start your classes with Gradeup. Okay, so there are if once you download the Gradeup app, you will get all these free series also. Law for Layman, 5 Judgments That Change India Part 1, 5 Judgments That Change India Part 2, 5 Important Constitutional Amendment of Indian Constitution, Begin Your Preparation, a complete prep kit. These are some of the free series that are already there. Okay, so with this, friends, we come to the end of today's class. Do like this session, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and definitely do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Prep smart, score better, go Gradeup. Thank you.